Welcome back, Diecast fans from around the world. Today we're unboxing something awesome. Hey Diecast lovers, welcome back, coming to you straight from the mini world with big stories. Today, we're taking a closer look at a true JDM icon, the Honda Civic Type R EK9 in 1/64 scale. Okay, this is the Honda Civic Type R. Look at the front, simple but aggressive. That red emblem, classic Type R. This is what makes it stand out from a regular Civic. The headlights are nicely detailed, really clean for a diecast this small, and the bumper, sporty and track-ready, perfect racing vibes. The front looks awesome. Next, we'll check out the other parts of this car. Now let's check out the side of this Civic Type R. Look at those clean body lines. Simple, but very iconic for the EK9. These wheels are spot on, and the Bridgestone Potenza tire details really make it pop. A nice touch for a 1/64 scale. And if you look inside, you can see the red racing seats, a signature feature for this Type R. Love that detail. Overall, the side view really shows off that classic hatchback stance. Looks perfect. Now, let's check out the rear. This EK9's back design is simple, but instantly recognizable. The sporty rear spoiler and the red Honda badge with the Type R logo really complete its identity. Even the exhaust is nicely detailed, small but clean for a 1/64 scale. And that wraps up our quick review of this Honda Civic Type R, front to back. If you enjoy details like this, drop a comment and tell us which diecast we should review next. Where are you watching from? Let us know, and don't forget to subscribe for more diecast awesomeness.